Hey, I'm Dr. Connie Stapleton, and I am coming to you to help every one of you who's interested in live healthy to do just that, live healthier. I'm going to be talking about habits today. How do you establish them and how do you keep them? Now, you know you have habits. We all have habits. We wash our hands after we use the bathroom, hopefully, especially now during COVID time. We shower, we brush our teeth at regular times. You can also have some unhealthy habits. Maybe you're a nail biter or you're a hair twister. But habits are really just actions that are automatically triggered by something in our lives. You know, if you brush your teeth in the morning, it's probably because your mama had you brushing your teeth in the morning from the time you were a child. So engage in these morning rituals, right? You get out of bed, you probably do the same 3 or 4 things in a row because it's part of your habitual routine. So habits are just part of what we do. If you're a nail biter, maybe it's because you are anxious. And when you feel anxious, you automatically start biting your nails. So, habits can be broken, changed, and they can be developed. So the good thing about them is once we have established them, and as you go through this weight loss journey, you want to establish some healthier habits, right? So it's a simple process that's difficult to obtain. And when I say it's a difficult process, what I mean is you pick something you want to do and then you engage in it at the same time. You pair it with something, right? So example, you pair it with, you learn to wash your hands after you use the bathroom. You learn to pair brushing your teeth with getting up or going to bed. So it becomes a habit. Now, it's an easy thing to say, right? Pair a behavior with the time of day or some other cue in our environment, then do it. Well, that sounds real easy, but the process isn't easy. It requires effort. And effort is required in this whole process of weight loss. And so here we go, more effort, right? If you don't really want something at a deep, deep level, sometimes it's hard to make habits stick. So you're going to have to put forth the effort, and you might have to engage some people to help you or some skills to remind you as you begin to do these things. And oh, by the way, you can forget about that whole 21-day thing. That's nonsense. It takes a lot longer than that in a lot of cases, right? So you need more than a verbal commitment, and you need reminders. We need a reinforcement. We need assistance. So you need to keep at it even when you don't feel like it. So reminders, assistance. If you want to start drinking more water, then maybe get one of those bottles that have markers on it. Drink this much by noon, this much by 3, this much by 6. Or, no coffee before I drink a bottle of water. Or no, Crystal Light before I drink another bottle of water. So whatever it is, you have to have reminders. Use that smartphone. More difficult goals like exercising as a habit, this is going to take some time. And you might want to pair it with the time of day. Maybe you exercise first thing in the morning, or maybe you exercise right after work is a good time, or maybe you're a late night person and so you do that after all the kids are in bed and before you take that time for yourself. You can do a lot of things, but you got to have encouragement. And that's why sometimes it's fun to have a workout buddy or have somebody call you and say, all right, you go to your treadmill, I'm going to do my yoga, whatever it is. But remember, there's no magic time limit. It's not 21 days. There's a story that goes with that, but it would take too long. But it can take months. It can take years. Depends on how badly you want it and how much effort you put into it. When I talk about effort, maybe you need to hire a personal trainer. Maybe you need to make an ongoing appointment with your dietitian. Maybe you need to have a therapist to help you keep track of and help you increase your accountability. So if you want to develop something, then you got to put effort into it. You're going to need assistance. You're going to need encouragement. You're going to need support. You're going to need accountability. All the tools you need to do the gotta do-ums, right? The gotta do-ums are the behaviors you need to turn into habits. The only way you're going to do it is by doing it today and most days. Get whatever help you need to do that, because remember, your health is your responsibility today and every day. Thanks for watching. Bye.